friends, I hope you have a happy day and full of happiness. Today, I will share with you a new video, special and effective. We need these ingredients to make this recipe. So let's start. 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and the juice of 1 lemon. Now, mix all the ingredients very well. Now it's the time to apply this recipe on your skin and leave it on for 10 minutes. For best results, use this recipe 3 times a week. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe us, and we are waiting for your feedback and comments.